How do you feel? Is it okay? Your lips is numb. Oh, that's normal. Okay, next is the rrr. Say, put your tongue sa there. Rrr. Rrr. Let it play there. Rrr. Rrr. Okay. Yeah. You put your mouth position should be. Just put your hand here. Okay, your tummy must be hard, not soft. Okay.